Slowly breathe in through your nose. Hold for a few seconds, then breathe out through your mouth. For the next few minutes, we're going to talk about stress. Not the normal everyday stress that comes and goes, but extreme stress that can feel like it's taking over your body and mind. We'll look at what might cause it, how it might feel, and what you can do to help yourself feel better. All of us have worries, and that's normal. But when things feel so enormous, it can feel impossible to manage. You might be living through the very worst of times, through war, the death of, or separation from a loved one, or huge changes to the life you were used to. Maybe you're dealing with your education being cut short, bringing you an uncertain future, or being forced to leave your home and not being sure when you might eat again. You may feel trapped by not being allowed to do what you want at home or outside. One minute you feel okay, then, out of nowhere, a sound, a smell, the sight of an object can bring the stress back. You're on high alert, restless and wake at the slightest noise, or it's nightmares that wake you. You lash out. You feel sick and anxious. You can't relax. Getting through each day is all you can think of. The future is scary. Or you can feel the opposite, flat, emotionless, pushing the stress away so you feel nothing. It feels safer that way, right? But learning to deal with stress is different for everyone. Try to recognize what brings those feelings on for you and what helps you deal with it. For some, distraction can help. Read a story. Tell a story. Get busy with chores. Run. Just moving your body can help you feel better. Some of you might find it helpful to pray. For others, it's sitting still, imagining a more hopeful future. Focus on your current surroundings to ground yourself. What can you see, smell, hear? Remember how strong you are to get to where you are now. You can use this strength in your future. Now, just like we began, breathe. Slowly, in through your nose as if you're smelling a flower, and even more slowly, out through your mouth. Like blowing out a candle, and repeat.